Hello friends, Evision is an outstanding online institute for trainees where professional trainers train them and make them understand the importance of IT sector. It develops our skills. The training provided here is of very high quality. I am Amit Kumar, basically from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I had completed BTech in Mechanical from KK College of Engineering and Management in 2018. The placement team is quite accommodating. The entire team is extremely humble and will never let you down. My personal experience has been fantastic, from high quality lecture to real time hands on training with placement support and batch scheduling flexibility. Everything here has a dream comes true. I am glad to say that I am selected in M&N Retail Private Limited with salary offer 2.8 LPA. The lifetime access to courses is the cherry on top. Overall, I am pleased with my decision to train with eVision. Thank you so much, eVision. Thank you.